Today, we'll be going over the broadcast functionality of CloudRadial. Broadcasting allows you to send messages out to users in real time to CloudRadial's web app or the new desktop agent portal. The messages delivered to the client portal are also displayed in Windows as Windows notifications. Broadcast messages keep users updated as changes are made to their tickets when using their ConnectWise or Autotask PSA. As of January 14, 2020, this feature is in beta, so if you'd like to opt in, be sure to send an email to support@cloudradial.com. Otherwise, you won't see this feature in your tenant. Note that because broadcasting requires a new infrastructure addition to CloudRadial, pricing for this feature is yet to be determined. Stay tuned after the beta test. Now, let's see how this feature works. I can send a broadcast within an individual company via the Company Messages dropdown on the left-hand side of the feature sets. Let's add a new message. I'll click on Add at the top right. In the previous video, I showed you how to create a message that users can see in their inbox. Broadcasts are much more aggressive and noticeable. We'll see why and how in a minute. Just like a regular message, I'll fill out the category, subject, and author fields as normal. In this example, I'll make this message about a crypto locker email that just got sent, and I don't want my users opening it. The difference between this and a regular message is I'm going to click on this Send as Broadcast option. Remember, if you can't see this option, it's because you're not opted in. Note that the publish date in the large text field goes away when I click this box. Now, we can choose the priority of the broadcast and what the message is. We can also add attachments if we so choose. I'll make it a medium priority, and I'll just make my broadcast message test. Finally, you can also choose what user groups the content goes to from the top tab. In this case, I'm fine with it going to everyone. As soon as I click submit, I'll be able to see the message. Here we go. If I click on the message at the top, it'll take me directly to my inbox. Note that it'll also leave the message within the inbox itself, so they can refer back to it at any time. Now, let's see what broadcast can do for our support tickets. Off screen, I have ConnectWise open, and I'll post an update to a ticket I logged within CloudRadial as a user. If we go to Support, and click on Support Tickets, we can see my ticket right here. Now watch what happens when I submit an update for this ticket, even if I'm on a different screen, like the home screen. With broadcasts, I can see the pop-up that my ticket was updated. If I click on the broadcast, it'll take me straight to my ticket so I can see the new information. You can also broadcast to all companies and users if there's a big announcement or emergency you need to get out quickly. To do that, navigate to Partner on the left-hand side of the feature sets and click on Marketing. The first tab that we're already on is Broadcasts. Click on Add at the top right to start a new one. You'll notice all the familiar fields. Be sure to experiment with broadcasts to get messages out quickly. Remember to be careful and not abuse them, as sending out push notifications too often can dilute their importance.